This is my Yamaha big wheel, actually the second one. The first one's getting powder coated and I'm rebuilding the motor on it. I bought this one for parts and this one's going to eventually go to electric with the QS138V. So I've been printing up parts, so fab up the parts and we'll get a motor and battery built. But this motor, it was cracked at one point in time and someone welded in a plug and we lost an entire screw hole. So we're going to steal the case from this motor. So let's just sit along while I do that and we'll get this one going. I'm going to have a nice gas and then we'll have a nice electric and we'll have the best of both worlds. But you could watch while I get this one take apart and get the parts I need from it. I should point out this motor, it's not a survivor. This was a dead from the get-go. It's missing the stator cover, it's missing the cylinder, it's missing the head. I don't know about the internals on it, but I never planned on making this one a runner again. This was always going to be electric or something parts, but it's absolutely going electric now, so we're not killing it. We're just using the good stuff for this one and making this one something completely different. So don't get mad that I'm doing something you don't like. I think I have to pull the whole motor. We'll come back when I get the motor out. Ooh. There is a spider. I don't know how old that thing's been in there, but it's pretty gross. This is the case that was missing the bolt hole. So on this one we have it. On this one it was knocked out and they just welded over it. So this is what we took this apart for to get this part, but now I can get this motor back together. It's getting new clutches, new piston, new cylinder, new bolts. So I want this thing as close to new as possible. And then this one's going to get the electric conversion, so everything's getting worked out and used. So stay tuned and we'll have 2 BW builds coming forward. Thanks.